The 2023 Husqvarna FE 501 bodywork offers rider contact points for greater control, even in the toughest of conditions. Highlighting the latest revisions, striking dark blue and electric yellow graphics, along with a metallic blue frame, create a distinctive look that underlines the constant evolution of this established enduro machine. Assembled with quality, high-performance components throughout, the FE 501 is capable of competing at the highest level thanks to the premium Michelin enduro tyres, BRAKTEC brakes and clutch, and enduro-specific WP suspension. Engine. The most powerful engine in the Husqvarna motorcycles FE lineup, the 510.9cc power plant is more advanced than ever while only weighing 29.4 kg. Cylinder head. The SOHC cylinder head is incredibly compact and lightweight, using a short profile with the camshaft located as close to the center of gravity as possible, significantly improving handling and agility. Cylinder and piston. The lightweight aluminium cylinder features a 95 mm bore and a lightweight conic forged bridge box-type piston. Frame. The chromium molybdenum steel frame is expertly crafted using laser-cut, robot-welded, hydroformed tubes, ensuring the highest level of precision and quality. Composite carbon fiber subframe. The carbon composite subframe is unique to Husqvarna motorcycles and showcases advanced production technology and innovation. WPXPLOR front fork. The WPXPLOR 48 front fork is designed specifically for enduro riding. WRX-ACT rear shock. The WPX-ACT shock provides advanced damping characteristics to the range. New valve seals with reduced hardness offer improved shock feedback. Hydraulic brakes. The highest level of quality is guaranteed with the new BRAKTEC braking system. Hydraulic clutch. The new high-quality BRAKTEC clutch system guarantees even wear, reliable and near-maintenance-free operation as well as perfect modulation in every condition. Bodywork. The FE 501 features a bodywork which clearly showcases Husqvarna motorcycles' progressive approach to off-road motorcycles, while rugged grey and electric yellow accents provide a distinctive look and stylishly adorn the Swedish-inspired design. Exhaust. The exhaust system is expertly designed to deliver class-leading performance at the lowest possible weight. The header pipe is designed and manufactured in two pieces, to be as compact as possible.